Yes, hello everyone, welcome to the next Famite video tutorial. Now for this episode guys, just going to show you how to enter the boot setup menu or the startup menu for this HP laptop. So presently it is actually in the startup menu, or some persons will say that it is of course the boot menu or the BIOS. So I'm actually in there, so you can navigate through it and change different settings. Now I want to actually show you how to actually do this. So first, of course, definitely you will power down the laptop and press the power button to power it up. While it is powering up, you just continuously pressing down on the escape key. So let's give it a restart. So continue pressing on the escape key. You can see. Right, and it is now in the BIOS or the startup menu. So definitely again, you now in the startup menu, and then you can of course make different changes to the BIOS setting for this HP laptop. For example, if you want to change the booting device in terms of the booting order, then you can definitely do this from this screen. So change different booting devices. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks again. Famitech is out of here.